Video we are going to do a quick analysis on Mullen, and again we have done this I think yesterday and maybe even the day before because there is just so much movement on the stock recently. We are up 14% today. What are we paying attention to? So as always, we come on to the proper standard deviation channels. These are what gives us our strong support and resistances. Now this is not on a long-term time frame. Obviously Mullen has gone from $8 down to 18 cents. So obviously be cautious on that news, but our strong upside targets are going to be 65 cents and $1.05. So obviously we're nowhere near these now. These are what I'd be paying attention to if we get some strong news or we just continue pushing up. These are the two strong levels that we'll be paying attention to, but obviously very far from where we are now. What we will quickly do though is cut down to a 20 and 30 day chart, because these will give us levels closer to where we are now and provide trading opportunities coming into the end of this week and early next week. So 24 cents, we can see why did we get a pullback here. First deviation on the 20-day chart. If we come back to retest this and break it, we then have a target of 28 cents / 29. So again, just use it as a zone. It's only 1 cent. Use it as a zone. First time you touch it, expect a pullback. If you touch it again, expect a breakthrough. Come back to test it as a support. And if it holds, expect to move to 34 cents and 40 cents. So that would be the short-term kind of plays to the upside. If really we kind of break below 20 cents, I would flip a bit more bearish on it, expect a move to 19 cents, breaking through there would be 18 cents, and then going down to 14 cents and 7 cents, and also 9 cents as supports going lower. Again, this is something I'd be interested in more long bias. Doesn't mean I'm long bias this second, but if we can, we've already done that pullback. So really the main trading opportunity to me is if we break 25 cents, or 24 cents, I want to see a break above it, come back to test it as a support, and as long as that level holds, I'd be looking long bias to at least 28 cents, which again can provide some good upside. That is a 20% move. Obviously you're not going to catch the bottom to the peak, but even if you half that, you're still looking at pretty good upside. Anyway, that is the breakdown on Mullen in the short term. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out one of these two analysis videos.